Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin at FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to tour 2516 East Manor Court. We're in the Manor just south of Bloomington. Let's take a look. The main level has a wonderful study space that could also serve as a guest room. So many beautiful upgrades to this home as far as the lighting and the flooring. I love the built-ins and the fireplace, and there's an open space here that's perfect with the kitchen. It's easy to love this kitchen with an entertaining island, 5-burner cooktop, built-in oven, and wonderful storage. This ranch over finished basement has a wonderful split bedroom plan. This is the primary suite. It has a luxury tub, luxury shower, and a dressing room. I'm always a big fan of a dedicated laundry room. You can shut your door, fold the laundry, sort the laundry, shut the door, and have access to the garage. This ranch plan also features secondary bedrooms on the west side of the house and a lower level that has untapped space. There is a dedicated stair with this bonus room that is perfect as a guest space or as a study area. This light-filled lower level is perfect for future expansion, another bedroom. It's stubbed for a potential bath, and it's great storage. This gorgeous sun deck has a wonderful view of the over 1 acre site. There are beautiful mature trees. This deck was upgraded with a composite material, and it flows downstairs to the patio that goes right into the walkout lower level. I really like this lower level patio. It's a perfect little cozy space for having a small group. Thanks for touring 2516 East Manor Court in the Manors. My name again is Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker Realtors. You can get this information and more on jeffsells.com.